This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Barbecue rubs are easy to make and stores well. With Busy Daddy's secret customized all-purpose barbecue rub recipe, you can customize this barbecue rub to your dish and your taste.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
In a large bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of salt, 55 grams of brown sugar. You can use white sugar here as well. 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin. This is your basic barbecue rub. Now, here's the customizable part. When you want to use it, just add 1 teaspoon each of your favorite spices before rubbing it into your meat and vegetables. For poultry like chicken and turkey, I like to add rosemary and thyme. For fish, try lemon zest and sesame seeds. Or you can go by various regions and cultures. For example, for an Italian flavor, use oregano and basil. The possibilities are endless. Have fun, play around with the spices to come up with your own favorite combinations. Store the dry rub in an airtight container and it will keep for several months. Check out my beer can chicken recipe. This is just one of the many ways you can use this barbecue rub. This is the Busy Daddy Rub, a personalized, versatile barbecue rub that packs a punch.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.